Good morning students, how are you? I hope you are doing well and keeping yourself safe. Welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today we are going to start with our unit number 7 and we are going to start with poem that is Puppy and I, and it is a class 3rd poem students. So let's start with our poem. Puppy and I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, men and I. Where are you going to, men? I said to the men as he went by. Down to the valley to get some bread. So in the first and second stanza, what happens? There is a boy. He is asking and talking to the men. And what he is asking? He is asking that men, he is asking to the men that where are you going, sir? So he said it that I am going to the village to buy a bread. So now we go to the next stanzas. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse and I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. So, as I told you before students that the boy was asking to the men that where are you going? Then the men said that I am going to the village to buy some bread. Then what the boy asked that will you come with me? So the boy asked to the men that just come with me sir. So what the sir replied? The men replied that sorry boy, I can't come with you. Then after some time, the boy met a horse while walking on the road. So then again he asked to the horse that will you come with me? Then again horse replied. That horse replied that I am also going to the village to have some hay. Hay means a dry grasses which the horse eat. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to? Horse today? I said to horse as I went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. So, I have told you before also that again the boy asked to the horse that will you come with me? So what horse replied? Horse replied that no to the boy, that I can't come with you because I want to go to the village to get some hay. Hay means dry grass. Now again he met a puppy. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. So, at last, the boy met a puppy. And puppy went with the boy. They were walking and talking with each other. They went up to the hill and they were playing and rolling. And then at last the puppy said, I will come with you. Let's play and enjoy. So this is about this poem, students. At last puppy accepted what boy said, and horse and the men denied to go with the boy. Now we'll go to the word meaning of this poem. What do you mean by village, students? A community of people smaller than a town. Hills, a raised area of land, but not a huge as mountain. What do you mean by bread? As you know, student, in the morning, in the breakfast, we usually eat breads, baked food made of flour. Hey, I told you before also, it is a dry grass. Roll, to move by turning over. Play, to engage in a playful activity. Who is I in the poem? Who is I in this poem, students? I is a child. I is a boy. I is a child in this poem. Where was the man going? Tell me, students, where was the man going? The man was going down to the hill to get some bread. Why did not the child go with the horse? That you know very well, students. The child did not go with the horse as he was going down to the village to get some hay. As you know, horse was busy going down to the village to get some hay. So the last question is, why did the child go with the puppy? As you know, he accepted to go with the child. The child went with the puppy as it was going up the hills to roll and play. So students, this is about this poem. We have done with our word meaning. We have done with our question answers. So thank you, students. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.